The modern CEO is responsible for overseeing and reporting on virtually every aspect of their business. Without the right tools, having access to the data you need to report on can be a daunting task. Acumatica gives you the real-time data into every aspect of your company from a single platform. Because Acumatica is a platform capable of managing your entire business, its reporting tools can give you a 360-degree view of your operations. Acumatica comes with 5 different native reporting tools that provide you with actionable data, dashboards, generic inquiries, financial statements, forms and reports, and pivot tables. Each provide unique value to a CEO. This video will look at how CEOs can leverage dashboards to effectively monitor all of the key performance indicators they are responsible for. Before we start, make sure you are subscribed to our channel to stay tuned on how your business can skyrocket with one of the best ERP systems in the market. Acumatica is a role-based application for users, and that is reflected in the variety of dashboards that are pre-built in the platform. Dashboards are available for every area and every person in your organization. As a CEO, you probably find yourself invested in more areas than most of the other users in your organization. So it may be a good idea to favorite a dashboard from several areas to keep coming back from. If there is one you are most heavily interested in, you can set it as your home screen in the application. Each dashboard displays as many or as few KPIs as desired. Each KPI can be displayed in a variety of formats. Important trends can be displayed as a scorecard with defined warning levels. The important thing to know is that Acumatica lets you turn company data into your data by displaying whatever you want, however you want. Behind each KPI is a generic inquiry that is constantly feeding live data into the dashboard. Drilling down into the data requires a single click. The generic inquiries behind a dashboard KPI are every bit as dynamic as the dashboards themselves. You can further refine results by filtering and sorting, or view the results in a pivot table if desired. Any of these newly filtered inquiries or pivot tables can be added to a dashboard just as easy as their parent inquiry. Depending on how many areas of your organization you are responsible for, it may be easier to customize a single dashboard for yourself rather than cycling between multiple. You have the option of building a new dashboard from scratch, but you may find it easier to design an already existing dashboard to better fit your needs. Easily add a new widget that can be fed from any inquiry in your instance. Use existing filters or create new ones on the fly to display whatever you need exactly as you need it. Acumatica's framework allows you to quickly personalize your dashboards without any coding, although it only takes a few steps to map a new widget onto your dashboard, like we just saw. Perfectly customizing your dashboard can be as easy as copying and pasting. For example, let's say your only interest in the pre-built controller dashboard was knowing how much cash the company has on hand. Rather than needing to revisit that dashboard over and over again, you could take the steps of creating a new widget in your preferred dashboard and connecting it to the necessary inquiry with any necessary filters. Or simply copy the widget from its original dashboard, return to your preferred dashboard, and paste the widget there. For hypercritical inquiries, you may prefer to receive notifications instead of monitoring a dashboard. In that case, you can use business events that are tied to generic inquiries to alert you of potential problems that require immediate attention. Whether you choose to monitor your KPIs from multiple dashboards, a single dashboard personalized to you, or together with push notifications, Acumatica can give you the data you need to be successful. Dashboards and the other native reporting tools for Acumatica are only the beginning of what is possible when it comes to reporting for a CEO. You can gain even more strategic views of your business with Microsoft Power BI connections and numerous other business intelligence applications available that are rebuilt for Acumatica users. Our team at AcuPower is highly experienced and capable of providing all the assistance you require to assess and meet your needs. If you are looking to make your life easier as CEO, while also providing every other member of your team the technology to perform their jobs faster and better, we would love to help. Schedule a free demonstration with our team on our website. Tell us about your business needs, and we will make sure to show you how Acumatica can cover them and improve your company.